Okay, good morning. In the last class, we discussed differential equation of higher order topics. That is first unit. Now, in this class, we will discuss about partial differentiation. Our next unit is partial differentiation. So, first of all, what is a partial differentiation? So, here partial derivative of a function of several variables is its derivative with respect to one of those variable. One of those variable is partial differentiation, right? So what is that? Partial derivative of a function of several variables is its derivative with respect to one of those variables. So then that is the other variables treated as constants, right? That is called partial differentiation. Next, actually partial differentiation is a way to find the slope in either x or y direction at the point indicated, and other variables treated as constants. So that is partial differentiation, right? So first of all, how to find partial differentiation? Partial differentiation means actually part by part differentiation. Part by part differentiation. Actually, ordinary derivative. So the y is the function, then derivative of that function dy by dx. Right. So here partial derivative part by part means suppose consider some f is a function in x and y. Then differentiate with respect to x and differentiation with respect to y. That means partial derivative, so in either x or y direction. So in x direction, then that is with respect to x. In y direction, that is considered as with respect to y. Suppose we take a function some f is equal to f is a function in x comma y. Now derivative of this function so is write as dou f by dou x or dou f by dou y. Here function in two variables, that is x and y. In x direction, so then that is dou f by dou x. In y direction, then that is dou f by dou y. So here this is called dou or del f by del x or del f by del y. So here now we consider one example. So then how to find partial differentiation, right? So for example, f is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square. So from this example, then what is the partial derivative with respect to x and with respect to y? So first of all, we have to learn some small example. Suppose what is the difference between ordinary differentiation and partial differentiation, right? So for example, so here the function is xy. Here the function is xy. Now what is the ordinary derivative? So with respect to x, I mean d, what is the derivative of this function, right? So here derivative of this function is d by dx of x into y. Right, d by dx of x into y. So here x is one function, another y is another function. Now here d by dx, so this is considered as uv. Considered as uv. Now, so what is the derivative of uv? So uv dash, actually uv dash plus vu dash. So this is the derivative of uv, right? So here x is u, so u into y derivative with respect to x, ordinary derivative. So then that is right as dy by dx, right? So plus v into, what is v here? V is y, so x derivative with respect to x, so then that is 1. So that's why here right this is right as xy dash plus y. This is the ordinary derivative of xy. right? Now what is the partial derivative of same function xy? Partial derivative means that is part by part differentiation. So then that is so here by the definition of partial differentiation, suppose we consider, I mean, derivative with respect to x, the other variable treated as a constant. So in this in this function x into y, in this function we have, so x into y with respect to x, then y treated as a constant. So that's why here y treated as constant, right, as it is y. Now derivative of x is 1, so then that is y. For the same function, ordinary derivative is xy dash plus y. Here for the same function, partial derivative with respect to x is y. For now, next to partial derivative with respect to y for the same function xy. So here with respect to y, then what is constant? So here the constant is x. That's way, right, x as it is. Now y derivative is 1. Then we get x. So this is the difference between I mean ordinary derivative and partial derivative. Same function xy, with respect to x we get y, with respect to y we get x. Then ordinary derivative as xy dash plus y dash. So this is the partial differentiation. Now first of all, I mean, consider this one. So we can solve, I mean, we can find partial derivative of this function. So then what is a partial derivative here? I mean, first order and second order partial derivative. We can find from this first order and second order partial derivatives. So what is first order partial derivatives and second order partial derivatives? Now so the function is f. Now here first order partial derivative, dou f by dou x and dou f by dou y. These two are called first order partial derivatives, right? Now what are the second order partial derivatives? Second order partial derivative is dou square f by dou x square, dou square f by dou y square. Now dou square f by dou x dou y, or dou square f by dou y dou x. Now these are called second order partial derivatives, right? Now these are first order partial derivatives. So first order and second order partial derivatives. Now the given problem is f is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square. Then find first and second order partial derivative of this function, and also verify dou square f by dou x dou y and dou square f by dou y dou x, right? Now here first order partial derivative f with respect to x. So f with respect to x, then the other variable here, what is other variable? Y is the other variable. Then that is considered as, I mean, treated as constant. Then here, so a is constant, x square derivative is 2x into a, 2ax, plus here with respect to x, then what is constant? 2hy is constant. So 2hy is constant, x derivative is 1, right? Plus, so by square, what is by square here? By is also constant. So we are with respect to x, then that is a constant. So constant derivative is 0. So that's why we get 2ax plus 2hy. This is dou f by dou x. Right? Now what is dou f by dou y for the same function? Here this is ax square with respect to y. So then this is a constant derivative is clearly 0. Then here 2hxy with respect to y. What is constant here? 2hx is constant. Now here y derivative with respect to y 1. So that's where plus by square, b is constant, y square derivative is 2y. So we get 2by. Finally 2by plus 2hx. So these are first order partial derivatives, right? Now go to second order partial derivative. What is it? Here dou square f by dou x square is a second order partial derivative. Now this can be write as dou by dou x of dou f by dou x, right? Dou by dou x of dou f by dou x. Now what is dou f by dou x? So already find dou f by dou x. What is that? So dou f by dou x is 2ax plus 2hy. Now here write 2ax plus 2hy. Okay. Now here with respect to x, in this 2a is constant, right, as it is. Now x derivative is clearly 1 plus 2hy with respect to x. So clearly constant derivative is 0. So we get 2a dou square f by dou x square. Next dou square f by dou y square. Now this is also right as dou by dou y of dou f by dou y, right? Now what is here dou by dou y? What is dou f by dou y? Here dou f by dou y is 2by plus 2hx, right? Here 2by plus 2hx. Now derivative of this function with respect to y. Now with respect to y, what is constant here? 2b is constant, so y derivative is clearly 1 plus here 2hx with respect to y, then it is constant derivative is 0. So we get 2b. That is dou square f by dou y square. Now here calculate dou square f by dou x dou y and dou square f by dou y dou x, right? What is first of all consider this one. This means this can be write as dou by dou y of dou f by dou x. Dou square f by dou y dou x is can be write as dou by dou y of dou f by dou x. Now here dou by dou y of what is dou f by dou x? Here dou f by dou x is this one. Now write here dou f by dou x 2ax plus 2hy. This is the dou f by dou x. Now derivative of this function with respect to y. So here this is constant, 2ax constant derivative is 0 plus 2hy. So here 2h constant, y derivative is 1. So finally we get 2h. This is dou square f by dou y dou x. But again find dou square f by dou x dou y. Now this one. Right? So what is dou square f by dou x dou y? Now this can be write as dou by dou x of dou f by dou y. Now right here what is dou f by dou y? Now here dou f by dou y is this is dou f by dou y. Right here 2by plus 2hx, right? Now here with respect to x, so with respect to x, then here 2by is a constant, so constant derivative clearly 0. Here with 2hx with respect to x, 2h constant, x derivative is 1. So clearly observe this, here dou square f by dou y dou x is 2h and dou square f by dou x dou y is also 2h. That means, so from this condition, so here dou square f by dou x dou y is same as dou square f by dou y dou x. So that's why here write dou square f by dou x dou y is dou square f by dou y dou x. So this is observing from this function after finding first and second order partial derivatives, right? So this is one example for how to find partial derivative of a given function, right? So take one more example. Now here if w is equal to y minus z, z minus x, x minus y. If w is equal to this function, then find dou w by dou x plus dou w by dou y plus dou w by dou z. Find the value of dou w by dou x, dou w by w with respect to x, with respect to y, with respect to z. Then find some of the first order partial derivatives with respect to x, y, z. Right, here we have three variables. Now first find dou w by dou x, dou w by dou x. Right, here w with respect to x, means that other variables y and z consider as constants, right? So what are the constant in this product? In this product we have the y minus z. So y minus z is constant, then so this is the function. So in this we have x variable, right? So that's way here write this one. So y minus z is constant, right, as it is. Here just derivative of z minus x into x minus y, right? So in there is no x, so that's why this is a constant. So in this way we have x, then derivative with respect to x. Now here y minus z. Now here derivative of this function, to derivative with this function, first of all simplifying this, dou by dou x of here zx minus yz minus x square plus xy. Now find derivative with respect to x, right? Now here y minus z into, right here, with respect to x. So in this product zx, what is constant? Here z is constant, so write as it is, x derivative clearly 1 minus. So here yz, what is yz derivative with respect to x? So yz are constants, that's where this derivative is 0. Next minus x square derivative is 2x plus here xy with respect to x. So with respect to x, then y is constant. So here finally y, right? Y is constant, x derivative is 1. Now simplifying this, actually here we have y plus z, right? Now this can be write as y minus z, here y plus z minus 2x. Now multiplying these two terms, now here y minus z, this is y plus z. So y minus z into y plus z. So that is y square minus z square. A plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, minus y minus z into 2x, right? So minus 2x into y minus z. Now this is dou w by dou x. Similarly find dou w by dou y. So what is dou w by dou y? Dou w by dou y, right? Again here w with respect to y, then what are the constant in this product? So here z minus x is the constant, so that's why write this one. So z minus x into dou by dou y of, what is that? Y minus z into x minus y. So here we have y, that's why we take with respect to y. Then here z minus x. Now first of all simplifying this, we get yx minus y square minus xz plus yz, right? Now derivative with respect to y. So z minus x into, So derivative of this function with respect to y. With respect to y, then what is constant? Here x is constant, right, as it is. Here y derivative clearly 1. Now minus your y square derivative. What is y square derivative? Y square derivative is 2y minus xz. So here with respect to y, here we have xz. So xz are constant. So constant derivative clearly 0 plus yz with respect to y. So z is constant, y derivative is 1. Now here also, here z minus x, here z plus x. Then this can be right as z plus x minus 2y. Right? So we get z minus x into z plus x. We get z square minus x square minus 2y into z minus x. So this is dou w by dou y. Next, similarly we can find dou w by dou z. So please observe this. So with respect to x we get y square minus z square. Here with respect to y we get z square minus x square. So that's why what is dou w by dou z? So with respect to z, then we get what we get. Similarly, dou w by dou z. So that can be right as x square minus y square. Now here with respect to z, minus 2z into x minus y. So these are the w with respect to x, with respect to y, and with respect to z. So adding these three terms, so we get what we get here. Dou w by dou x plus dou w by dou y plus dou w by dou z. Sum of these values. So what are the here? What is here? So y square minus z square. See, minus 2xy minus of minus plus 2xz. This is dou w by dou x plus dou w by dou y. What is dou w by dou y? Z square minus x square. Here multiply minus 2yz plus what we get 2xy. This is dou w by dou y. Then dou w by dou z. What is dou w by dou z? Here dou w by dou z is x square minus y square minus 2z into x. So minus 2zx plus 2yz. Right? So these are the values. Sum of dou w by dou x, dou w by dou y, dou w by dou z. So adding these two, so observe here. So minus z square plus z minus z square plus z square cancelled. Minus x square plus x square cancelled, y square minus y square cancelled. Here also minus 2xy plus 2xy minus 2yz plus 2yz, 2xz minus 2xz. So all are cancelled. So finally, so what's the value? Here the value is 0. Now, so what is the value of dou w by dou x plus dou w by dou y plus dou w by dou z? So that value is clearly 0. Simply, so derivative of function means, so suppose we have a partial derivative with respect to x, then the other variables treated as constant, so then we get a partial derivative of each function, right? Now take one more example. Okay, example is z is equal to logarithm of e power x plus e power y. This is the function. If z is equal to logarithm of e power x plus e power y, then prove that then prove that RT minus S square is equal to 0. What is RTS? So here actually in partial differentiation, so first order partial derivative, suppose the function is z, now first order partial derivative dou z by dou x, dou z by dou y, these are first order partial derivatives. Now these are denoted with so dou z by dou x is denoted with small p, dou z by dou y is denoted with q. Right, these are first order partial. Similarly, a second order partial derivatives. So here dou square z by dou x square, dou square z by dou y square, then dou square z by dou x dou y. These are second order partial derivatives. Now denoted with dou square z by dou y square, this is or dou square z by dou x dou y, this is s, dou square z by dou y square, this is t. Right, now here prove that RT minus S square is equal to 0. That means RT minus S square means here RT minus S square means what is our dou square z by dou x square into dou square z by dou y square minus dou square z by dou x dou y is equal to 0. Right, so this is we have to prove this one. So that means just simply find second order partial derivative z with respect to x 2 times, with respect to y 2 times, with respect to x and y, then finds these values, substitute in this expression, so we get a value is 0. So this is the briefly explanation of partial differentiation and problems on partial differentiation. Right, so in the next class we will discuss about what is a total derivative and chain rule. Okay, right, thank you.